Assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled and observe how reality conforms. Neville Goddard. Unlocking the law of assumption is a profound practice that can reshape your reality in ways you might never have imagined. When you understand and apply this powerful secret, you tap into the essence of manifestation, enabling you to attract your desires with remarkable speed. At its core, the law of assumption revolves around the idea that assuming the feeling of your wish is fulfilled aligns you with the reality you wish to create. It's about living from the end, feeling as though your desire has already been realized. To begin with, it's crucial to grasp that your assumptions are not just passive thoughts, they are powerful creators of your reality. Every assumption you hold, whether consciously or subconsciously, shapes your experiences and circumstances. If you want to manifest something new in your life, you must first assume the state of already having achieved it. This means embodying the feelings, thoughts, and actions of someone who has what they desire. When you do this, you align yourself with the reality of your desire, making it inevitable that it will manifest. Start by clearly defining what you want. Be specific about your desires, whether they are related to wealth, relationships, health, or personal growth. The clarity of your goal will help in forming a precise assumption. Once you have a clear desire in mind, the next step is to vividly imagine yourself living in the state where your desire is already fulfilled. This isn't just a fleeting thought but a deep, immersive experience where you feel and act as though your desire has come to pass. Engage all your senses in this imaginative exercise. Feel the emotions that come with achieving your desire. Hear the sounds, see the sights, and even smell and taste the outcomes if applicable. This sensory involvement helps to deepen your belief and solidify the assumption. The more real you make the experience in your imagination, the more convincing it becomes to your subconscious mind. This, in turn, influences your external reality. While immersing yourself in this assumed state, it's important to maintain this feeling throughout your day. The key is to stay aligned with your assumption even when external circumstances seem contrary. For instance, if you're assuming the state of financial abundance, your external bank balance might not yet reflect this. However, your assumption should remain steadfast. Your belief in the assumption creates a vibrational frequency that attracts similar energies and circumstances into your life. Another vital aspect is to persist in your assumption. The law of assumption is not about occasional or superficial attempts. It requires a consistent, unwavering belief in the state you wish to achieve. This means continuously living from the end and resisting the temptation to revert to old thought patterns or doubts. The more you consistently align with your assumption, the more quickly and effectively it will manifest. Additionally, your interactions and conversations should reflect your assumed state. Speak as if your desire is already a reality. Your language and actions should mirror the reality you are creating. By doing so, you reinforce your assumption and make it more believable to your subconscious mind. It's also beneficial to affirm your assumption regularly. Affirmations are powerful tools that help to solidify your belief and align your thoughts with your desired state. Create affirmations that resonate with your goal and repeat them with conviction. This practice keeps your focus on your desired reality and supports the manifestation process. Reminder: the law of assumption is about more than just thinking positively, it's about living as though your desired reality is already true. This shift in perspective aligns you with your goals and brings them into your physical experience. The more you embody this state, the more effortless the manifestation process becomes. Ultimately, the law of assumption reveals that your desires are not distant dreams but are, in fact, already on their way to you. By assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled and maintaining that state, you create a powerful magnet for your desires. The process becomes a natural flow of energy rather than a struggle. One crucial element is the act of mental rehearsal. This involves mentally living out scenarios where your desires have already been achieved. Instead of merely visualizing the end result, immerse yourself in the process of how you would feel and act on a daily basis if your desires were already a reality. This practice helps to create a profound emotional and psychological shift, making your assumption feel more authentic and achievable. Moreover, let's explore the significance of subconscious programming. Your subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in shaping your reality. By repetitively assuming the state of your desires being fulfilled, you're essentially reprogramming your subconscious to accept this new reality as truth. This shift in subconscious programming can lead to spontaneous changes in your external circumstances as your new assumptions begin to influence your actions and decisions. Another aspect to consider is the alignment of your external actions with your internal assumptions. While mental alignment is crucial, it's equally important that your external actions reflect your internal state. This means making choices and taking actions that are congruent with your assumed state of having achieved your desires. For instance, if you're assuming the state of a successful entrepreneur, you might start making decisions and taking actions that align with that role, such as networking, investing in professional development, or adopting habits of successful business people. Additionally, the practice of gratitude can amplify the effects of the law of assumption. By expressing gratitude for what you have and for what you are creating, you elevate your vibrational frequency. Gratitude serves as a powerful reinforcement to your assumed state, helping to solidify your belief and enhance your manifestation efforts. When you are genuinely grateful for the success you have assumed, you align more closely with the energy of abundance and attract more positive experiences into your life. It's also valuable to address and release any internal conflicts or doubts that might arise. As you assume the state of having your desires, it's natural for old beliefs or fears to surface. Instead of resisting these feelings, acknowledge them and gently redirect your focus back to your assumption. Techniques such as self-reflection, journaling, or working with a coach can help you address and dissolve these internal conflicts, allowing you to maintain a clearer and more powerful assumption. Moreover, the concept of patience plays a critical role in this process. While the law of assumption can lead to rapid manifestations, it's essential to cultivate patience and trust in the process. Understand that the universe operates on its own timing, and sometimes, the manifestation of your desires might take longer than anticipated. By staying patient and consistently holding your assumption, you allow the universe to align all the necessary elements to bring your desires into your reality. Engaging in affirmations and self-talk that reinforce your assumed state is another effective strategy. Your daily conversations with yourself should reflect the reality you are creating. Use positive affirmations that align with your assumed state to bolster your belief and maintain focus. For instance, if you're manifesting financial abundance, affirmations such as, "I am financially abundant," or "My wealth is growing every day," can help to reinforce your assumption and keep you aligned with your goal. Lastly, integrating these practices into your daily routine ensures that your assumption becomes a natural part of your life. Consistency is key. Make it a habit to regularly engage in mental rehearsals, affirmations, and actions that support your assumed state. The more consistent you are in applying the law of assumption, the more seamlessly it will integrate into your reality, leading to the manifestation of your desires with greater ease. By continuously applying these techniques and maintaining a strong focus on your assumptions, you harness the full power of the law of assumption. This approach enables you to shape your reality in alignment with your desires, leading to the fulfillment of your goals and aspirations. In applying the law of assumption, you unlock a profound tool for shaping your reality. This approach, which involves assuming the state of having already achieved your desires, empowers you to transform your life with intention and clarity. By immersing yourself in the mental and emotional experience of your goals being fulfilled, you align your subconscious mind with the reality you wish to create. This alignment is essential, as it influences not only your internal state but also your external actions, helping you manifest your desires effectively. Understanding and practicing the nuances of this law, such as mental rehearsal and subconscious programming, allows you to enhance your manifestation efforts. Immersing yourself in the feeling of already having achieved your goals, expressing gratitude, and maintaining patience are crucial steps in this process. Each practice reinforces your assumption and brings you closer to experiencing your desires in your daily life. It's vital to be consistent in applying these techniques. Consistent application ensures that your new assumptions become deeply ingrained, leading to a natural shift in your reality. Remember that your daily affirmations, actions, and focus should all align with your assumed state. This alignment helps to bring your desired outcomes into fruition with greater ease. If you found this discussion valuable and want to explore more about how to manifest your desires effectively, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips. Your engagement helps us to continue creating content that empowers you to take control of your reality. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice on harnessing the law of assumption. Share this video with friends who are interested in personal development, and leave a comment to let us know your thoughts and experiences with the law of assumption. Your feedback and interaction are greatly appreciated and help us to provide content that resonates with your goals. Join us on this journey to uncover more secrets to manifesting your dreams and achieving your aspirations. Your support plays a crucial role in making these resources available. Stay tuned for more content that helps you unlock your potential and shape the life you envision.